What is Ionian Greek? Have you ever wondered how the ancient Greeks communicated and expressed their thoughts? Today, we will take a closer look at Ionian Greek, a fascinating dialect that played a significant role in Greek history. Ionian Greek, also known as Ionic Greek, is an ancient dialect that originated in the region of Ionia. This area is located along the central western coast of Asia Minor, which is present-day Turkey, and includes several nearby Aegean islands. This dialect belongs to the Attic-Ionic group of Greek dialects and was spoken from around the 8th century, before the Common Era through the Classical period. By the 4th century before the Common Era, its use began to decline. The Ionic dialect is historically important because it was the language of some of the earliest and most influential Greek literature. For instance, the epic poems attributed to Homer, such as the Iliad and the Odyssey, were composed in an early form of Ionic Greek. Notable historians and writers like Herodotus and Hippocrates also wrote in this dialect, highlighting its cultural significance. Ionian Greek has distinct linguistic features that set it apart from other Greek dialects. For example, it uses specific endings in personal pronouns and verb forms that differ from those in Doric or other dialects. The dialect also formed infinitives with the ending nai, like einai, meaning to be, and daunai, meaning to give. These features were unique to Ionic Greek. Phonologically, it shares several characteristics with Attic Greek, such as the early loss of the W sound and the merging of certain vowels. This helped facilitate communication and cultural exchange between Ionia and Athens. Geographically, Ionic Greek was spoken not only in Ionia but also across various Aegean islands and Greek colonies in the Mediterranean. These included parts of the northern Aegean, the Black Sea coast, and regions of southern Italy and Sicily known as Magna Graecia. The spread of Ionic Greek was a result of Ionian colonization and migration that began around the 11th century before the Common Era. For travelers in Greece today, understanding Ionic Greek connects you to a rich cultural and linguistic heritage that shaped classical Greek civilization. Visiting the Ionian coast and islands such as Chios and Samos offers a glimpse into the heartland where this dialect flourished. Exploring archaeological sites and museums in these areas reveals inscriptions, artifacts, and historical narratives tied to the Ionian League, a political and religious alliance of Ionian city-states during the archaic period of Greece. Ionian Greek is an ancient dialect that played a key role in early Greek history, literature, and culture. It originated in Ionia and spread widely through colonization, influencing the development of the Greek language and leaving a lasting legacy visible in classical texts and historical sites that travelers can explore in modern Greece.